like you're not doing enough, then this video is for you. Because the truth is that you're probably doing way better than you think, but you just haven't noticed your tiny wins yet. I know what's going through your mind. You feel like everyone is achieving more, being more, doing more, and you're stuck. But let me stop you right there. I'm going to show you why those tiny wins you ignore are probably proofs that you're doing way more than you think you are. If you're new to the channel, my name is Beauty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the power of tiny wins. We always think that success is one big dramatic moment, but real change happens through small consistent wins. It's not about having a whole book full of ideas, but about taking one tiny step to actually doing something. Tiny wins rewire your brain for success. You got out of bed even though you were feeling tired and felt like staying at home all day. That's a win. You spoke kindly to yourself today. That's a win. You tried again even after failing. That's a huge win. You went back to post again even after your low views. That's a huge win. But you know what? We ignore these things because they don't sound like buying a car, buying a house, or stuff like that. But we need to stop that. We have to start noticing the quiet victories. So this is what I want you to do. We are currently in the 5th month of the year. I want you to go back and trace how your life has been since January, and you realize that you've actually moved forward. You have actually excelled in something. You've become better than you were last year. And do you know what happens when you track your tiny wins? You train your brain to recognize growth instead of shame, and you realize that you're not stuck. You're actually rising and you're actually becoming better. All right, let me share a quick story with you guys. Sometime this year I kind of felt stuck. I kind of felt like I was not doing enough because, you know, my subscribers were low. My subscribers were about 200 then. I wasn't getting much views, so I kind of felt stuck. I felt like I was not doing enough. But the truth is that I'm doing way more than enough. I have been posting consistently for the last Fridays of every single month, and that's something. The old me would have given up a long time ago, but I did not give up. So that means I'm growing. That means I'm actually better than I was. But I was actually building discipline, consistency, and resilience in small ways, and I should be proud of myself. I was thinking I wasn't doing enough in my life. I was thinking that I was stuck. But I looked back and I saw how much my mindset have changed. And all this started with tiny wins I didn't even recognize. So please, don't wait for big wins before you celebrate yourself. Clap for yourself. I want you to recognize those tiny wins and how far you've come. Celebrate your tiny wins, because one day you will look back and realize that those tiny wins actually bettered your transformation. And hey, speaking of tiny wins, this June I have something super exciting coming up. I'm challenging myself to 30 days of YouTube shorts with no long videos. I know, challenging, right? But I'm gonna do it. And during these 30 days, we're going to talk about a whole lot. So if you want quick daily motivation, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. So back to tiny wins, I want you to drop a comment on the comment section of one tiny win you've had this week. Let's hype each other up. Don't forget, small steps lead to big changes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.